the US has fully restored Hungary's access to the Visa Waiver Program, meaning easier travel with longer ESTA validity. In this video, find out what this change means and how the Visa Waiver Program works.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration-and-migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
Hungary has regained its full status in the United States Visa Waiver Program after making improvements to its security measures, according to the Department of Homeland Security. Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem announced that restrictions placed on Hungarian travelers over the past few years will be lifted, allowing citizens once again to enjoy the same benefits as other countries in the program. Back in 2021, the Department of Homeland Security began tightening rules for Hungarians due to concerns about passport security. At the time, the electronic system for travel authorization or ESTA approvals were revoked for Hungarian passport holders born outside Hungary, and new applications from this group were automatically denied. In 2023, the US went even further, shortening the validity of Hungarian ESTAs from 2 years to just 1 year and limiting them to a single entry. This meant Hungarians had to reapply for every trip, adding both cost and inconvenience. Now, those restrictions have been lifted. Starting September 30, 2025, Hungarians will again be able to apply for an ESTA valid for 2 years and multiple entries, just like most other Visa Waiver Program travelers. The Visa Waiver Program allows citizens of 41 participating countries to travel to the US for short visits up to 90 days without needing a traditional visa. Instead, they apply online for an ESTA, which is usually quick and far less complicated than going through the standard visa process. The Visa Waiver Program works on a foundation of trust. Only countries that meet tough requirements for security, data sharing, and immigration controls are included. In return, their citizens enjoy simpler, visa-free travel to the US for short business or leisure visits. For Hungary, being in the Visa Waiver Program is particularly valuable, as it strengthens business, tourism, and family ties with the US. Losing full access made travel harder for Hungarian citizens and created friction in bilateral relations. With Hungary's full privileges restored, its citizens can once again travel more freely to the United States under the same rules as most Visa Waiver Program countries. Do you have plans to visit the US? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigration-and-migration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.